Well, as you all know, we had an epic 2-week run with the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. With that said, that has come to an end. So we did have some new Inside Track Club deals drop today that end April 30th. So I'm going to turn this camera around and let's get into it. As promised, I was going to jump back in and do the next version or the next section, the automotive section for our ITC members. These sales are good until April 30th. Remember, you get that free hat up through Thursday with a $14.99 purchase. So let's jump into the automotive. They're still running great deals on these low profile aluminum racing jacks with rapid pump and several others. Save 50 bucks on this one. This is a 3-ton low profile, $199.99. The Bauer 7.5 amp 6-inch 20mm long throw random orbit DA polisher. I think I already went over that one, but nevertheless, $59.99. It is 25% off. Bottle jacks are still a great deal. This one's 40% off, 41. It's $34.99. This is a 20-ton. This will help you level your house. Here's a battery jump starter, $159.99, down from $229. Wide mouth pressure washer, Canon, $23.99, help you hit some high places. Here's a 2.5-ton low profile floor jack with the rapid pump for $169.99, down 50. Swing away trailer jack to $24.99, save 10 bucks or 28%. Here's your little trailer cart for $119.99, down 30 bucks. It's 10 cubic foot. Mentioned the bottle jacks. Here's another one, 50% off. This one's 4-ton, very useful around the shop. $14.99. Niagara's 100-foot by 3/4-inch high-performance contactor grade. This is a water hose, $59.99. Super heavy-duty hose. Get you a vacuum pump if you need it, $109.99, down 30 bucks. Need some PB blaster? Got it on sale for $4.99. Pick you up a few cans when you're in the store. Here's a 10-amp 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher sander for $34.99, down from $39.99. Radiator pressure tester kit, down 35% until April 30th as an ITC member for $64.99. Here's your 10-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit, down 80 bucks to $179.99. Super handy around the farm. Digital tire inflator from $29.99 to $17.99. It's a nice little kit. Here's your variable speed grease gun from Hercules. It's 20 volt, so if you picked up some of those batteries, there's you a good deal, $99.99. Here's your the Bauer version, also $99.99, so take your choice. Here's the 4-ton hydraulic equipment kit for $119. It's down 60 bucks. Trailer wiring kit. Trust me, you can't put this together nowhere near as cheap as you can buy it right now, $10.99. So if you need some wiring on your trailer, just rip out the old and put this in. Here's a compression tester kit, 10-piece, 27% savings, down to $39.99. How about that 20-volt Bauer cordless impact wrench, down to $39.99, 20% off. Here's a little electric winch, $139.99. This is a 1,500 pound. It's got a wired remote. Niagara's 50-foot 5/8 garden hose, down to $28.99. Here's a ratcheting cargo bar. I actually need 1 or 2 of those for my pickup, so I need to get over there. Save 28%, down to $17.99. Here's an Earthquake XT 1/2-inch composite ultra torque air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,500 pounds. I dare any of y'all to say that 5 times. LOL. Hey, just kidding. It's a great deal at $129.99, 1,500 foot-pounds. It's going to twist it off if it don't take it off. Here's a 3,300 PSI surface cleaner for your gas or electric pressure washer, down to $39.99. That's a solid deal. It's 14-inch and around. A creeper for $64.99, down from $79. The Viking battery charger and engine starter from $139 to $119, $20 savings. Hallmaster's adjustable ball hitch mount. It's down 15% to $37.99. Here's a 3/4 ton lever manual chain hoist, 15% off to $79.99. Here's another super heavy duty air impact wrench. This one's the 8-inch with extended anvil. This one's 2,500 foot-pounds. So once again, it'll come off or break. $219, save 60 bucks. Some heavy duty 2-gauge jumper cables down 17% to $32.99. And with the price of wire, that's a super deal. Here's a 120 watt continuous 240 watt peak modified sine wave power inverter. So it's a small one, but still it's a good deal, $17.99. A detailing kit for $4.99. Here's your lightweight, it says heavy duty, but nevertheless, it's made for temporary use. Pop-up canopy for $99, save 40 bucks. Here's your Badland synthetic rope and fair lead. Great deal on that, save 28% down to $24.99. Tree trunk protector strap for $19.99, so you can use your winch without, I guess, roughing up your tree with a cable. Rooftop crossbar set, save 25% to $59.99. 1.5 ton scissor jack, save 34% down to $14.99. So if yours is damaged in your car or just need another one, that's a good deal. Here's a Road Shock 3-inch LED floodlight, down 20% to $15.99. And the Road Shock Edge 6 LED off-road flood combo light for $129, save 20 bucks. Here's a HVLP gravity feed air spray gun with the 1.4 nozzle, save 25% to $59.99. McGraw's 3/8-inch aluminum air ratchet, $19.99. That's a quality tool at a good price, save 33%. Another good impact wrench. This is super compact air impact wrench, twin hammer. This one's only 1,000 foot-pounds, but that's more than most people will ever need on an automotive situation. $84.99, save 20 bucks. And Road Shock's 3-inch LED spotlight, down to $15.99. All right, that's the items listed under the automotive section. And if I get any more time, I will try to go on into these remaining ones: tool storage, lawn and garden, hand tools, welding. Anyway, all those put together is probably about the same length of video. I hope this offered some value to you, and if it did, please hit that like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. I do have many other videos on tool reviews and installations of like robotic mowers and drawers for your cabinets and things. So if you get an opportunity, please check it out. Give me a comment. Let me know where I can improve. You can't hurt my feelings much. With that said, I hope y'all have a good day and y'all take care.